ब्लू कलर की लाइट जाएगी.
The blue light? That means it's on? Nice. This is so funny. Should I just be like, hello? Nice. Oh, and I have to hold it like this the whole time. No? Oh, fuck. Nice.
Right, welcome back to DTF. Today विकल्प ने BT दे दी. Bro needs to get his house built. He's doing the मजदूरी.
Yeah.
Workers just बैठ के
Carrying
उसको
cements,
देख.
I guess.
हाँ.
Nice.
बैठ के उसे देख रहे हैं workers.
Can I do like a ASMR thing?
Yeah. ASMR.
That would have given so much, please, like satisfaction to so many people, I'm sure. But nice.
Alright, we have Keith Bhaiya today.
Keith, bhaiya, that's such a bad start to it. But Keith is fine. I guess.
I have Keith today on our pod. A little bit about him. I met him at the fashion show that I was at.
Yes.
ICW. I mean, he was like our what is it called?
Boss.
Yeah, he was our boss there.
Not
And
exactly. I was your supervisor.
Supervisor.
In a
yes.
way.
Then eventually, we thought he's gonna beat us up or something. So we were maintaining a what is it called? Like a supervisor to mentor relationship. And then we were like, fuck it, man.
Supervisor to mentor relationship.
What is it?
Mentor-mentee
Mentee.
Yeah. Supervisor to mentor. Nice.
And then we were like, fuck it.
Yeah. I mean, that's because I don't want to interrupt, but I feel like it took like a day for you guys to get shit. Because I feel like the first day you guys came, I remember seeing your face and beach mein you were just like, you look like a tiny, those, what do you call those? It's like a very famous toy, that one that has like a tiny body but has like a big head on it and it just wobbles like that. Those toys are called something, no? It's like a collectible
bobbleheads.
kind of thing.
And so, pop figurines.
Yeah.
Pop
you look like that because you were so pissed the whole time. Like the first day I remember, and because the first day went on till 11 o'clock in the night or something. So I remember how mad you were. And
I was expecting. Okay, I was like, oh my god, fashion show, wo. And then idhar aage.
But that's because your college lies to you, man. Like, know that, but
no, yeah, exactly. They were all like, oh my god, bro, getting such a good. भैया ऐसे क्यों रखा हुआ यार? पर भाई कौन खेलेगा?
ऐसे अभी is there a segment?
No.
Is there like a segment of playing chess?
अच्छा तो लगे रखा हुआ.
हाँ सही है. I think everyone couldn't tell or wouldn't have cared, but ठीक है. Nice. I like the attention to detail. Nice. Go on.
I do that to the books as well. A lot of people see it.
Yeah.
But they don't understand.
By the way, for those watching, Mohak went before we were doing the setup for this. He went to get a book for me. He's like, I'll get, and then he brings it back. This one says, 25 years ago, he stole her innocence, and now he knows where she lives. That is the best description about me, I guess.
When he knows where she lives, bro.
I mean, I kind of forgot, but okay.
Damn.
Yeah, but anyways, go on.
Rush of blood. Where?
I think I know the answer. Considering I spent 10 days with you, I think I figured out. You by far have the funniest jokes, I think, when it comes to all these things. But yes.
Funny.
I don't know how much he is on the pod like that, but yeah. Because I've seen snippets. But yeah.
Reel dekhi na?
कौन सी अभी वाली जो थी which you were telling a story about someone. Yeah. Bed पे लेके गए थे अब साथ में. That was funny though. But yeah. सही है.
So basically, so we met there and then I mean he'll tell us a little about himself, what all he does.
Is this the part where
Yes.
Okay. So I'm a photographer and a sketch artist. Apart from that, I do multiple things where I also, just a bunch of them, I guess. I hate when I am asked this question because I don't know exactly what to tell. Yeah, no, because photography and sketch art is like something I just do. And then when there are multiple things where you just fuck around and you do a lot of things also. But yeah, I think it's the bunch of the whole time about thinking about coming here and speaking and all this thing. I kept on thinking, I was like, I cannot act in a certain way. Like I can't try to act cooler, and then people watch and be like, "Abey, ye to aisa hai hi nahi. Ye to aise hi bol raha hai." So yeah, I do multiple things. To know, follow me at Boundless and Beyond. Sorry, the plug came too early, but yeah.
डाल दो वो तो नीचे.
Also, I had a question. Do you add like sound effects and everything?
No.
Fuck, dude. I really wanted like when you introduced me to have like a ऐसे cheering sound.
Oh, I'll do that.
I just wanted that and like
I need to start doing like more editing now. Like before I was doing it on iMovie. Now I do it on Premiere Pro.
Yeah.
I've switched things, so now I need to understand how it works. So
Fair enough.
I fucked around on Premiere Pro.
Yeah.
I'll add shit like that.
Yeah. That would be fun actually, like adding all these. I wanted like a cheer and then suddenly like just a random Sardar going brr, or something like that. Why not, bro? That's why not? It would be fun.
Yeah, so first question was really like, tell me something about yourself. Like
Yeah.
But so he does a lot of things. I mean, I understand a lot of people that like have just one thing to do.
Yeah.
I think they're like depressed.
Very controversial topic to start on. I don't think they're depressed. I just feel like they're too, like their vision is too narrowed down.
हाँ exactly, like
That's
you know
the
you
thing.
just भगवान ने दिमाग दिया है, थोड़ा लाइक सोचो कि तुम और क्या कर सकते हो जिंदगी के
हाँ
अंदर।
भाई,
एक जिंदगी है, कुछ बढ़िया करो, 4-5 चीजें करो।
I mean, मेरे को तो ऐसा है कि if you people feel like either they are sitting too khali and then they are cribbing about being khali, or there are people who are sitting with a lot of work to do but then are focusing on one thing and then it's just like, oh, I'm so bored. I hate one thing about like my generation and people around my age. They all are just so consumed about like doing one thing and then they're all complaining about that one thing. Majority of people who I know who are like my friends, you call them up, you text them or something like that. So I hardly text people, but anyways. So whenever I do and I ask people and they're like, oh, it's always complaining about their job. But then they also want to do more, but then they're not also. So yeah, that's that.
ये अपने फैशन डिजाइनर्स जो हैं मेरे कॉलेज में, they'll be doing it and then they'll come up to me like, भाई इतना काम देते हैं ना ये लोग, मेरे बहन से you picked your fucking career.
Why, exactly. Like, and that's the thing. अगर तुम काम नहीं कर रहे होगे, you're sitting there खाली ऐसे.
Then also you crib about
then you're like, oh, काम नहीं है मेरे
काम
पास.
नहीं है मेरे
तो
पास,
फिर
ये क्या कर, पैसे किस चीज के दे रहा हूँ मैं, मुझे काम नहीं दे रहे।
Exactly. And that's the problem. People don't understand. Like, it's great to, we all see on Instagram, oh, I'm all about that hustle life and all those things. But then when that hustle comes, I don't think there are many people who are actually doing it or wanting to do it.
Hustling. Right now, I am trying my best to make this work.
Yeah. Make this podcast
Make
work?
this podcast work.
You mean my episode or like just...
In general.
अच्छा,
in
सही.
general, the channel work.
Yeah.
मैंने म्यूजिक बोल रहा हूँ, Spotify पे डाला था,
Yeah.
they removed it in 2 days.
Why? Is it because...
Shit I say. The
or
shit
is-
I say.
What did you... Like, give me an example.
I think first या second episode में I think Vikalp was being homophobic.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, also, what's his name? Your friend's name?
Vikalp.
I'm very pissed at him. Let him know that.
Why?
Because I came all excited that I'm going to meet both of you and all this. तेरे साथ तो I spent 10 days, so I know. But I was very excited. I'm just really...
Bro,
I'm the guest who he never showed up for.
Damn.
Sad. Whenever you see this, just know I'm disappointed.
I think I will do another episode. It's with
Yeah.
you and Harshvia.
Oh, fuck. That would be amazing.
Two best friends.
Bro. Amazing.
Best. That is what I was thinking. अगर चलो वो
Yeah.
नहीं आया तो कोई नहीं, but two best friends वाला
But with
episode
me
आना
and Harsh, I think we would need one mic. Because then he won't speak much.
हाँ, exactly.
He always just
I
sits
only
there
have
and-
2 mics.
Yeah.
We are switching all the time.
सही है. But yeah, फिर that'll work like that. But I feel like if you want to hire the production value and all those things, you should just get like 2 stands. Like when,
Boom mics ना.
not just boom mics, get like because you want to keep this concept there for the books and all this thing.
Hold just
Yeah,
the
just
book.
have like a stand that has like a
Holding a
clipper
book.
and there's just a book like
That's
this.
a good idea.
So like people are like, oh, you could have afforded like a mic or like a boom mic, but no, we'll stick to what that
the
is.
Bakchoti that would
Yeah. There's a lot that comes here. but
Look,
doesn't come
the
out.
chess was all accidental. Everybody likes this idea.
Yeah.
It was very accidental. I was like कि भाई अब इसका क्या करें, टेबल बहुत खाली लग रही है, इसको हटाऊंगा तो
Right.
मैं बोला रहने दे भाई,
सही
looks
है.
good
You
यार.
should, ऐसा होना चाहिए था, like बीच में randomly someone plays a move. And
हाँ, he does that. He does that.
Yeah.
हाँ, Vikalp and I do that.
सही है. And every episode changes the game. Next में you have Ludo.
We
or
were
something
thinking
like
of putting it like randomly to a very weird, what is it called? Like, situations where each of them are about to checkmate each other,
that. Yeah,
but different scenarios. Like big,
I get it.
famous games,
Yeah.
chess games where people both have just
There
surrendered.
are famous chess games.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Nice. I didn't know. I don't know anything about
Are
it.
like, like 2 big brain chess people are playing
Yeah.
against each. So they both end up at like places where they both can't do anything now.
Yeah.
That is the thing.
Nice. I get that.
So yeah, so origin story and like family and like your age.
That is the question.
That
You
is
still
the-
don't know, no?
I still don't know.
You
your
still,
age. I
generally you still don't know.
genuinely don't know.
Oh fuck, dude, that's amazing. By the way, backstory to this is the fact that these guys came and throughout the fashion week, they did not know my age, and I'm surprised that you still don't. I thought I disclosed it.
You said something,
I
but
did
I don't
last
know if
day.
you're sure. If I'm not sure.
What did I say? What is the
आपने
last?
एक तो चीज ये बोली थी that you are.
Yeah, I am married. I like how you just went like that.
You are.
But the mic is still there, dude. Yeah,
You
I
are.
am. I am. Why is I love? Why?
Why I don't believe this guy? I swear to God, I don't
It is.
believe this guy.
It
Half
is.
the shit he says, I don't believe, bhai.
That's the main selling point. You don't talk in a way that people don't even believe what you're saying. But no, I like to like this is a fact that I am. But apart from that, many things I like to talk to people about in a way where
No, like you also say it in like with a bitch face, and I just can't tell if he's lying.
That's the point.
Good man.
But no, since we are on the podcast, I would further from this point, I'll only say the truth. My ass. But yeah. Oh, my ass reminds me, I have to tell you about yesterday
yeah,
also. Can I, like, that's like a part, but yeah, before I forget. So yesterday I was called, so because we have a lot of friends who work in like this events and all this thing, and we were called because last minute someone else backed out, and like super last minute. And for me, I am someone who does not mind like, ठीक है ये काम भी कर लिया वो काम भी कर लिया, it's not a problem, it's fine. It's unless and until I don't think any like one of those Shah Rukh Khan dialogues is there, no, that none of the kaam dhanda koi chota nahi hota, whatever that is. Like I genuinely believe in that. Like it's fine because you learn a lot of experience, even with the whole fashion thing.
Even
that I
I'm
do.
saying ki bhai, I met
Yeah.
you. It's even though I was doing Mazdoori.
Yeah, exactly. Like but then it's just a perspective thing. How do you see and how much do you want to learn? So last minute I was called that, bro, can you come in, fill in for this person? And I was like, what is the job? They were like, no, it's some government event or something happening in Taj only. And I heard Taj and I was like, ठीक है, that's like a home ground for
Khana.
me. Khana, fuck that. But I was like, कोई बात नहीं, like ठीक है. I already started thinking of all the pros that are there, thinking of Taj. And then I'm like, ठीक है, I'll come. And they're like, there's a government event, come for it. What's up? And I was like, what is the job? And then this person, who you know very well, goes like, Aja, all you have to do is just like, it's not even ushering or anything like that. You just have to stand there. And like, I think you'll have to help out the delegates and all this thing. I was like, cool, it doesn't sound like much work. I'll get paid, I'll get food, whatever. I'm sitting khali, might as well just go. So I was like, fuck it, I'll go. Bro, I spent the entire night till 2 o'clock taping the floor.
Taping the floor.
When I say taping, bro, my knees and my ass. This makes me sound like such a bitch, but my knees are bruised and my ass hurts. Because the whole time I had to keep bending down, putting my knee on the floor and taking those carpet mat. वो जो ज़मीन पे ऐसे mat
I'm
नहीं
just
करते
going to cut that part out and put it on.
That should be like the teaser part. What is Kid talking about? His knees and his ass. But yeah.
No.
Just the bruise
Just
part.
the part you're just talking, describing yourself. I'm just going to edit that part out and put it on the reels.
ठीक है.
भाई ये क्या कह रहे हो भाई?
I did not know I was signing up for this, but okay. You are allowed to. But anyway, so then, yeah, dude. And then the worst part was, you know very well, if I go somewhere, I would dress up. So when they told me it's like a delegate wala thing, I was like, I know people are going to be all fancy and shit like that. I dressed up fancy. Fancy as fuck, okay, like black shirt, all this thing with my hair gelled back and everything like that. I reached there. They tell me there's no work for like 1 hour, so just chill and whatever. Go have your high tea. You remember Taj high tea. Fucking beautiful thing in the world. And then we go, and I'm there, and then suddenly after a while, they're like, Ki Taja kaam karte hain and all that. I'm like, okay, there must be something. And I'm down to like do whatever. And we go there, and this guy gives me this big ass roll of masking tape, like the black thick ones that will stick to anything. And he goes like, and people have this weird thing, okay, where they feel like if you're under me in terms of working, I can speak to you however I want. So I walk in again with all this gelled up hair and like my goggles and shit like that. I walk in, this guy looks at me, he goes like, हाँ तो ये टेप पकड़, वहाँ जा, वो 4 तारे को घुमा के ऐसे कर और उस पर टेप लगा ज़मीन पे. ठीक है. I thought just वहाँ करना होगा. Bro, that entire Taj का venue जहाँ पे पूरा show का setup लगता है, the entire room I taped yesterday. On my knees throughout the night. In the end, the person who called me, he felt bad. He looked at me and he was just like, sorry bro, ye was up. Because even he was not given the right information. But man, did that. It made me so humble because I just, out of respect for him, I kept like just because he is the one who's going to be answerable if I fuck off. But yeah, it was such a fun experience to just.
No, but like I genuinely think these are the things that in like my thing that my parents follow, my religion, Radha Swami or whatever, bro. What they tell you is to like come on Saturday, Sundays, just like help the
Come on Saturday,
community.
Sundays.
Huh?
Come on Saturday, Sundays.
No,
Nice.
man.
Sorry.
Just like come on Saturday, Sundays and like help the community, whoever like is
Yeah.
following that
Yeah.
religion. Like just help, just like I don't know, serve
Yeah.
water, serve food or whatever. Just humbles the man.
Yeah. No, it's good. I mean, I don't mind that. Like,
Yeah.
मेरे को कल को problem नहीं था to sit on my knees and like tape the whole fucking menu. But I started
I,
having a
I
problem.
personally think I need that sometimes.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, you're going to do Lakme, so you'll have it again.
Yeah.
Be ready this time. I swear, again, sorry, off topic, but I swear, if you in anywhere thought that Kutiyar week was hard and it was ye wo sab, brother, wait till you come for Lakme. And worst part is, Lakme has like two different show areas,
Acha.
which mostly they build in the same vicinity only. It's like in the same.
Are you
way.
telling there are like two different venues, two shows at the same time?
Bro, there are 6 shows in a day.
What the fuck, bhai?
And by the way, you can't back out. Your names are gone already. So yeah, because Sarthak called me yesterday and he's like, "Oh yeah, you guys we are coming now."
Oh, we are already. I have a few more friends now. Before
know.
they weren't here.
Yeah, but I
Now
hope
they-
you've given them like a proper background clearance or what.
नहीं
what shit
नहीं
is-
देंगे नहीं
हाँ,
देंगे
ठीक है।
उधर
वहाँ आके
उधर-
रोना धोना हो तो मैं मार दूंगा।
उधर आके तो हाँ उधर
सही।
आके I'll handle them. Alright, Origin. I will talk about like how did you get into all of this?
All of this as in like what I do or like
Yeah, what all the things that you do?
So I mean for
Photography, you told me.
Yeah, mainly since that I do you want me to like repeat the same story? But sure. So I think 10th grade or something, 11th grade, yeah. That's when my mom's brother, he's a biker, he was going by or something, and then he stopped by Delhi, and he was I think going to Pakistan or Ladakh, one of those places. And he came from Chennai, stopped at Delhi, and then he was there with us. So he gave me his old Canon 40D something. It was a SLR camera. So he gave me that and he was like, do whatever you want with it. And for me, I was shit when it comes to academics and all those things. Like I can't study for shit. And it was that bad that मेरे को 12th grade में I had arts. 12th grade में जाके मेरे को पता चला that board mass नाम की कोई चीज़ थी. I've told you this. And then all of that happened. He gave me the camera and he was like, do whatever you want with it because he didn't want to keep it anymore. So I had two options, either to throw it or just to like, fuck around with it and see how it is. So I just did that. And that's when I realized that this is something I want to do because I really enjoyed the process of like clicking a picture and something. And initially though I was just doing the typical जो every person does, जूते का photo ले लिया, तार पे एक चिड़िया बैठी है, all those things. And then from there it just grew into like, what I do now, which is a very documentary style of shooting and everything. And when it comes to getting into this whole fashion and all those things, for honestly speaking, I enjoy it a lot. The whole fashion weeks. I know there are times where I almost break down in tears because I'm like, this is stress that you can avoid, but you accept it. But then at the same time, I have so much fun during all this, meeting people, talking to people, getting to know them, getting to see how to work with the team.
This is
and
one
all
of the
things.
reasons I started the podcast.
Yeah.
I like talking to people and like
Yeah.
finding more about them. So it's like something you do for free. People love talking about themselves. Why not get them on podcast?
True. I feel people have a lot to like give in general.
Give in general,
terms
huh.
of like conversations and shit. So yeah. So then that's how I got into the whole fashion thing. And my initial point was I was heartbroken. I was at the peak of my pro alcoholism. And you should add like a rainbow. on
Bro,
the
I
top.
swear to God, if Vikalp was here right now,
Yeah.
he is like the alcoholic of my group.
Yeah.
Like actual alcoholic, bro. If you
Bro,
say
I am not even
gin,
kidding.
he's running to
See,
you.
this is why I'm pissed. This is why I'm pissed he's not here. Because I planned to, I stopped at, I had a whole experience before coming here with the Karol Bagh metro station and everything like that. And as soon as I got off, I had no idea that there is a Theka right there. So I see the Theka and I'm waiting there. And the amount of times I was tempted to just buy at least a quarter and something instead of having this coffee, which is not that great by the way, but it's fine. But yeah. So I know I wanted to just see what it is. Orange mint, I don't taste any of them.
Bro,
but yeah.
it's bad. I don't even know why you picked it. I thought you just
No,
wanted-
because I thought I'll have some orange and mint or
you
something.
can
like
never
that.
go bad with like this.
I hate thumbs up though.
Okay, saying Coca-Cola is better.
No, I mean, I would definitely go for Coca-Cola. I was going to say Coke, but Coca-Cola. And then from there, you go to like, I would say, for me, it's Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, Diet Coke.
You're such an asshole. Such
No,
an
because
asshole.
Thumbs Up has that weird jeera taste. There are many people who are going to agree with me on this.
What?
Thumbs Up has this weird jeera taste. It's like putting jeera chawal and then straining it out and then taking Coke and then just adding that.
I
strained out
personally think it's thumbs up. Then I think if I wanted to like change the whole not
Yeah.
cola thing, then
Yeah.
I'd probably say Mountain Dew.
part. Yeah.
And then I think cola.
Were you one of
Pepsi.
those kids who like, I mean, who were very excited when Mountain Dew came out with that glow in the dark bottle?
Bro was sick, so
है ना?
fucking sick भाई.
Bro, me and my sister, we bought it. हमने कहा इसको ये, and bro, वो हुआ ही नहीं.
हुआ ही नहीं.
हुआ ही नहीं.
हुआ ही नहीं.
And we were one of those kids, I don't know, like, पहले जब वो नहीं आता था cornflakes and they had like good toys inside.
हाँ
of it.
भाई.
Bro, we were those kids, like the Happy Meal and all those collecting. Like हमारा मतलब बचपन इतना भी कोई गरीब नहीं था कि खिलौने नहीं मिल रहे थे खाने में से निकाल के जा रहे. But yeah, ऐसा तो था भाई. Happy Meals वाला toys, they were at one point such good.
I remember this one that I got from people. So like my mom's friend's son.
Yeah.
He had this bird / Ronald McDonald wala toy.
Yeah.
So it like the bird turned into Ronald McDonald.
Oh.
Bro, it was so fucking good. I can search it up on eBay right now and I
Yeah.
can find it. It's probably selling for like $200 now.
Yeah, I mean these later on become like collectibles and all
Exactly.
those things, but yeah, only if I knew now I would have been
Now you know what they're selling
a
now?
lot of money now. I would have earned. Yeah,
You know what they're selling now on McDonald's? Ke Happy Meals.
I have no
Small books, man. This
Small
is what
books?
this is their childhood now.
idea. For kids to read.
Yeah.
Damn, dude, that's sad. That's really sad.
You know, because like I probably think it's because like you know they had the monopoly. Ki, like बच्चे
Yeah.
always are like कि भाई McDonald's जाना है, and why? Just for the toys.
Yeah, I mean that's the best. See, that's I
Good
feel like-
marketing, that's just good
Not
marketing.
just marketing. I feel like now that I think of it, back then I didn't, but now that I think, I feel like for a parent, that's a great achievement to go to a store because you can kill the hunger of a child. You can also kill like the wanting of a new toy, both in one. Like that's like one stone, two birds. I was going to say
My
two
but
stones,
like
one bird.
my parents are probably pissed. They all were like कि मुँह को McDonald's खाना है, मुँह को McDonald's
Yeah.
खाना है. We'd all go there.
Yeah.
I'd order my McDonald's का अपना Happy Meal.
Yeah.
I'd just take the toy and not eat anything.
Bro, you
I'd
were
make
one
my
of those
mom-
kids. I get it. I get it, bro.
I'd
I
make my
hate
mom
that.
eat the food.
Yeah, but are you a McDonald's fan?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. And do you like have like a staple order?
Not really.
Bro, I have a proper staple order. Anytime I'm too confused about what do I want to eat, how do I want to whatever, I would always get like the spicy wrap thing, the wrap, the big one, that the entire meal and a medium meal, and then I'll get one aloo tikki. That aloo tikki burger, bro, there's something about that aloo tikki burger. I don't tell me you hate it.
No, look,
I will walk off this podcast right now if you tell me you hate it. Ek to you thumbs up drinking motherfucker.
Look, you can never go wrong with aloo tikki.
Yeah.
But like sometimes I'm just like कि भाई अब McDonald's आ गए, so let's try something new. फिर new के अंदर भाई अपने 3 चीजें होती हैं
हाँ.
जो खा रखी हैं. मैं बोला भाई fuck it भाई मैं एक आलू टिक्की ले लेता हूँ फिर. एक
It's
तो
like
I try the
McDonald's-
McFlurries though. Whenever they have a new McFlurry,
Yeah.
I try that.
But they have a new McFlurry?
Yeah, they have one for Minions right now.
What do you mean for Minions?
Like the movie Minions is
they have one for Minions. Good.
Minions movie
The
आई ना
movie
अभी?
का
हाँ.
हाँ, ठीक है,
So
सही
they
है.
have this caramel / chocolate wala bro. It's fucking good.
Why didn't they do banana?
I was also thinking the same thing.
They should have just done
Just
banana.
done banana, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, for me, McFlurry, I only like the Oreo one.
Yeah, I don't like the
can't do
crunch
anything
wala
apart
weird.
from
Yeah,
that.
it's bad. People keep saying it's nice.
I can't. If it's not the Oreo one, nah, bro. But they're soft serve. McDonald's soft serve.
It's
22
how
rupees.
22 rupees, huh?
Slaps, bro. Slaps. That vanilla flavor is the best.
I can't find it anywhere else.
What do you mean?
Like I mean, like the same taste.
Oh,
You
yeah,
don't
yeah,
find
yeah.
it in any other vanilla.
They put something.
Just
in
put
it.
something in it.
It must be like one of their hair or something like that.
What the fuck?
You know that chocolate hair thing, right? I don't know how true it is. That
What?
chocolate is made up with hair in it or something like that. There was like this thing in between. Like my childhood days only. Someone told me that in chocolate they put hair in it to make it or something like
No,
that.
it's just cocoa beans, bro.
Also for people who cannot see the setting, there are like kids here. While we
Got them. I swear to God,
but anyways,
if I had a gun right now, I'd kill these kids. Alright. So,
or just politely ask them to leave. But yeah, it's funny because we're talking about all of this and they're just giving us a stare. But cool. Yeah.
Alright. I was gonna ask you what do you do for a living? You do a lot of things for a living. I've already asked you that.
I will like to quote, what was that? Who was that? Kareena Kapoor from Golmaal 3.
Alright.
If that's a fun movie, if you know about it. Bro, add days to life, not life to days. Oh no, add life to days. You get what I'm saying.
Yes.
Like the more positive one. The more positive one. That's what I do for a living.
Okay. I mean, like, what do you like to do for fun, and what are you working on these days? Like you know, like you're working like you're doing things,
Yeah.
but at the same time, like, you know, building something for like your future or whatever.
Yeah. I don't think I'm building anything as of now. Sorry to disappoint you, but there are aims and like hopes I want to do and how I want to go about it. But as of now, I'm just trying to gather and work as much as I can in terms of things here and there. It is kind of like directionless a bit, very honestly. But then also, I don't want to sit idle. That is something from a very long time I've never enjoyed doing, where I'm just there is no purpose of anything, there's nothing, I'm just sitting. There has been a lot of like, because I feel like as you reach a certain age, there's a lot of like your brain and then your heart that you have to kind of mend in between, and then there is also work that you have to do because you have to sustain yourself. So I'm in between all of that, where I'm trying to, my brain knows that this is what I want to do, but my heart is also like, you know, this is another thing I want to do. So you kind of just have to make sense out of that. So sorry. Yeah, I think I'm trying to work on more projects. I want to do more. So when I started photography and I started doing all of this, I did not have subjects to shoot. And I did not like, because at that time there was no college, there was nothing like that. I think I just got out of 12th grade and anything. And around that time I was like a very reckless person. And for the longest of my life, even somewhere now, many people would think I'm a very like reckless and spontaneous person. Abhi मेरे को पता चलेगा यहाँ जाना है वहाँ जाना है. Like throughout the day today, I had a meeting in the morning, then I was supposed to come here, then I had no plans for the evening. Abhi literally my meeting got cancelled, it happened on the phone. I left my house, now I have 3 plans that I can go for after this, but I'm still not sure. So I think that spontaneity, many people don't like it, many people are like, that's not good for you, but I feel like I have somewhere adapted that very well, where I am very okay with being that way. Maybe not in the longer run, but yes. So when I started off photography and everything, I used to dress up my own friends, because styling is something that I would love to eventually get into at least once or twice, or like, you know, just work for some time so I get experience. And I'm someone who really wants to learn as much as skill as I can. Like instead of just being like, oh, main ye kar sakta hu, I just want to be good at it, learn more about it. Even for photography, it's been so many years that I'm doing it, there's still a shit ton of things I don't know. So many things that many times I go, people say something and I'm just standing there with a dumb face. I'm like, my first interview in my college, when I'm not going to name my college, but anyways, when I went for their interview, I remember I was shit nervous.
Oh yeah, you told me.
Yeah, I was shit nervous that I fucked up the white balance ka explanation with the ISO ka explanation. It was that bad. But in my head, I knew what I had to say, but I just couldn't. So there are many times when, you know, you just don't know what to say and all those things. But it's fun, I guess. Like, you know. So I used to do that a lot, where I used to style my friends and then make them wear like an outfit or something, and then shoot them wherever I want to. And that I did in a very like amateur level and all those things. And then I got into commercial and all those things, because paisa to kamana hai, warna sadak zindabad. So then I think I kind of now I've made like a list of people I want to shoot. And I don't want to shoot with just the people who look pretty, because there's no fun in that. And it's not that there are ugly people out there, but well, there are some. So
There are some.
There are some. I mean,
Shout out to Carl, bro. Missing you right now.
yeah, dude, this topic I don't even know you. I've never even met you, but
Shout out ugly people, Vikalp.
yeah.
Right.
I mean, not just him, all of them. So, yeah. There are many people like that, so I want to like really put them in like a scenario and all this thing. Is that my alarm? I think that is my alarm. Wait. Oh, it's 5:55, that means. I have random alarm set.
Fuck.
We'll be right back. This is like a short break.
You know, I'll have to sync this shit, you know.
I mean, you can just put like a black screen, no? Just like while this happens, just put a black screen. And just put like lobby music in it. Just black screen lobby music. And then we can just put an ad where it's like, this episode was brought to you by Durex Condom.
Go with that.
Wait, should we be talking about condoms like kids are sitting here?
No, it's fine.
I love how you say that as if you know them or they are like the dad. By the way, these kids are sitting here playing chess. We have not touched our board at all. But yeah.
Right, we're back. Technical difficulties. भैया explain.
Yeah.
5:55 का अलार्म क्या होता है? 6 बजे होता है, 6:10 होता है. What the fuck is 55?
I'll tell you something. Majority of the alarms in my phone are not like mostly alarms are supposed to wake you up or like a whatever.
I have a 10 p.m.
Yeah.
का alarm. It tells me to start reading for 10 minutes.
Okay.
And 12 p.m. का alarm, 12 a.m. का alarm रात का, it tells me to meditate.
Okay. Do you do either of those things?
Yes,
Nice. None of us can confirm that, but nice.
I do those. So that's why I have alarm for exactly
You
10
wait, so
and
you
12.
meditate, but then why is that you get so mad? By the way, guys, Mo gets mad. During the entire fashion, I know this podcast is supposed to be about me, but he gets really mad.
Why?
Like so many times during the fashion week, I had to go and be like, chill out, just come aside, ruk ja. But anyways, we'll get to that later. But so yeah, my
I will
alarms.
bring that shit up. I'll tell
We will. My alarms are basically a reminder to me. And it's just like, because I get very lost and I zone out a lot. So I put alarms where I'm just like, I have to do this and all that. Like even before, so when I was calculating my journey to come to you and all this thing, and we had to be here by 4, I thought about it and I was like, okay. So I had an alarm on my phone for 3, which was an alarm that you leave the house by that time.
Oh, okay.
That's my target. And I had an alarm for 3:33, which was कि भाई अब तक
भाई अब तक
metro
गया नहीं तो
पहुंच
फिर
जाना
अब
चाहिए
तो
था. And 3:33, I was tying my shoelaces. So yeah, that's what my alarms are for. This alarm, I remember, like 5:55, I had put it when I was at an after party. And I kept it because at this time I wanted to book my cab and start lying that I have to go somewhere and all this thing karke. So this was for that. And then since then I never switched it off. There's another alarm in my phone for 7:30. बजेगा बाद में भी. But yeah, अब तो it's just become a part. Everyone knows कि अभी कीत का alarm बजेगा for some shit reason. But yeah.
सही है. I mean like I also sometimes let's say अब मैं 10 बजे कहीं बाहर हूँ या
Yeah.
12 बजे कहीं बाहर हूँ तो सब मेडिटेट तो करूँगा नहीं बट बच जाता है.
क्यों नहीं करेगा ब्रो?
उस वक्त थोड़ी बैठ के 10 मिनट थोड़ी मेडिटेट करूँ.
दुनिया को बोल रुक जाओ. Just hold up. I need to meditate. But
गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ बाहर हो
And
बंदे के
also like
साथ.
my 555 is like
Girl,
for
stop sucking.
just let me
It's
meditate.
time.
Either put it in, put it out, just let me meditate. Also there are kids here.
What?
There are kids here. Just reminding. And they do.
They don't,
well.
bro. They don't know English, bro. Fuck you, kids.
I mean, better now than they can learn some of that. I wish we could have just like turned the camera to actually show, but never mind. We should.
We can't.
Next time, by next time, we should have a camera all over here.
Yeah, it's-
And do not come to me for that. Next episode में मैं ही shoot कर रहा हूँ बैठ के फिर.
Yeah, I love the story that you told me. How you got into the fashion show ka scene.
Yeah.
I'd like for you to tell me.
The drinking wala thing. Oh yeah, I mean that's what we started off. Somewhere it got lost, but I was super. Just had a very intense breakup and everything, and I was in my very I don't care wala zone. And I think at that time, Harsh and me, my very close friend, him and I, we became friends around that time because his heart broke. I think a month after my breakup happened. And
Fuck.
yeah, so the girl who I was with,
ये हर्ष भैया करते क्या होंगे मतलब उनका ब्रेकअप होता है तो क्या वो मतलब क्या करते हैं वो.
bro, he's just him. Harsh is just too extreme. Harsh is like Delhi weather. He's just extremes. Either he's very happy, very funny, very
Yeah, because I've
optimistic,
seen him
yeah.
be very angry.
Or he's just like Harsh is like an old man, which he is.
He's an old man.
He is. Anyone asking me what his age is, I either say 40 or 30 because he acts like that. He's like he's a sweetheart by the way, but yeah, he's an old man. So he's always, and at that time, him and I started becoming friends, started hanging out and everything like that. And whatever, my breakup happened for various reasons, and then I was in a whole drinking and all this because I've always been someone who always loved to drink, and at that phase I didn't know better, so I just used that as a reason to drink more. So Harsh used to do all of this backstaging and all this thing. And then one day he came to me and he's like, yo, do you want to, do the backstage and like work out? And I was like, kya karna hoga? And then he goes like, nahi, kapda uthana hai, idhar se udhar rakhna hai and all this thing, fashion ka wo hai. And at that time I have zero idea about how things go. I have no clue. I have nothing. Like I have only seen fashion shows on like TVs here and there or something like that. So I had no idea. And he was like, ठीक है कर ले and all this thing. I was like, मेरे को क्या मिलेगा? He's like, दो चीज़ें. You'll get to drink and you'll get money. I was like, fuck, let's go. Because what else do I need at that time?
ये
I'm
में
getting to drink. I'm earning also. Then I can use that earning to drink also. Jackpot, bro. Like nothing else can I. Like that is the first thing that went in my head. I was like, bro, यही करेंगे. So that's the main point that how I started. It's so funny because many people have asked me and I've given them such a different
yeah,
answer.
because like it's like very hard for like people. Some people, like one of my friends, you wanted to get into the whole thing. Two of them wanted to get.
Yeah.
I got both of them something to do in the thing.
Yeah.
But I was like कि अगर मैं Pearl में नहीं होता, मैं भी वहाँ पे नहीं होता. So like, how
I keep
did you do
forgetting
it?
to
And you are
Pearl,
like
man.
drinking.
Matlab, sorry, I zoned out. Say that again.
No, because like two friends wanted to get into the thing. I got them inside and got them a thing to do.
Yeah.
That is also because that I'm in Pearl, that I was there.
Yeah,
If I weren't
yeah.
there, I wouldn't be there.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
आपका इज लाइक कि भाई ड्रिंक करना है इसलिए मैं उसमें हूँ. It is
हाँ,
very,
मतलब,
you know,
because that was
hysterical.
like my main at that point of time. That's why I said I didn't know better. And for me, it's like if I have a focused agenda, like fuck it. But anyways, if I had like a certain agenda where I'm like, this is what I want to do, I don't think there is anything that can stop me for that. Like, and I apply that in everything in my life, like anything. Even if I want to be lazy at this point, there is nothing in this world that will make me get out of my bed. So it's like that. And that time I was properly like, and that entire phase was a part of my life where I do not ever want to go back to. Like my version, that version of me, I don't want to. But at the same time, I had shit ton of fun also at that time, all kinds of fun. So I mean, like that was the thing for me, and I was very lucky that out of a friendship with Harsh, I could get an opportunity like this. And I did not know over a couple of years I'm going to be at this point where I'm actually like, I have people to manage, or I have people who are coming to me and they're like, Keith, can you do this and all those things, which feels nice too, over the years when you see that you have reached a point where from being someone who used to do all the dihadi, where I used to pick up all these fucking 6 lehengas here, 3 here, and like, these 20 kg lehengas and shit, to that to now where I am.
To making me do all of that.
Yeah, I mean, to have lambs like you who come and I'm just like, how? So yeah. But in that also, I feel like it takes a lot of like, leadership skills, not trying to gas myself up, but I feel like it takes a lot where, you just can't keep telling you guys to like work.
Doing work yourself and getting other people to do the same work is two absolutely like difference. Getting people to do work is very hard.
Yeah.
I salute my fucking dad for doing that shit.
Definitely.
Can't.
And
That's
the
why I
worst
manage
part-
all my shit.
Yeah.
Shooting, editing, I can't give that shit to Vikal because I know even if he'll do it well, I'll not like it.
Yeah. Because it's at the end of the day, you know
It's
your
my- yeah.
point of view. So I get that. But yeah, I mean, during all of these fashion weeks and all that, because many times I have my ways to talk to people. I can't do it like how other people
एक
are.
सेकंड बच्चे मेरी बात सुन.
Love
एकदम
this.
जितनी कम आवाज कर सकते हो ना उतनी कम आवाज करो. ठीक है.
That's me at fashion weeks, by the way, guys.
Alright.
Yeah.
वो हो गया. If money wasn't a problem, what would you be doing every day?
Love how you think I have money problems.
No.
I'm just kidding.
No, I'm just saying if
No,
money
I
was never like like let's say people work for
Yeah.
money, right?
Yeah,
Usually
yeah,
that's the thing.
Yeah.
Like elsewise I'd probably be playing PS5 right now
Yeah.
if I didn't have anything like
Yeah.
that is the question.
What would I be doing if money wasn't a problem?
Money, like let's say you have fucking billions of dollars every day, like just coming into your bank account for no absolute reason.
Yeah.
Fuck would you be doing every day?
I would. This is basically how I want to end up dying.
Okay.
Okay, like if I have this particular.
I want to
thing-
fuck 5 Latinas at the same time.
Not the same time, that's too much effort. That will take too many pills. But I mean, I would want to. So basically, my end goal is to have. I shouldn't be saying this because this idea will be out there now. But anyways, I want to have like a space which is big enough to have a bar, a tattoo studio, and a photo studio together. So if money wasn't a problem, what I would be doing right now is have a great place in Goa. Like I know Goa is a very cliched place, and everyone's like, everyone wants to go Goa and drink and all these things. But Goa is a very boring place, which I feel. But I love the mountains, but I'm a very strong beach person for sure. So I would want a property there, a big enough property with a lot of things to offer, and I have like a certain kind of offers in my head. So it'll be like one united place, but then to have like things like, oh, it's your first tattoo, you get 25 shots free for you and your friends. You drink a certain amount, we'll give you a tattoo. You get if this is your like, if you're getting like this is your 5th tattoo or like your 10th tattoo, then we will give you a photo shoot right there and then. Like, something like a space like that. And more than that, I want it to be a place where you do not have to feel uncomfortable being there. Because this may happen many times where I walked into a cafe or I walked into a bar or anything like that, and I've been put under this weird pressure to either buy something or to either do something like that. And like, you know, I do realize that that's a criteria for people because they can't just, you know,
Just
host
exist.
anyone.
Exist, huh?
But then also there's like this weird, because for me being like that's a whole other topic with the whole dark skin thing. But yeah, I would never just have it as a free space where you're welcomed and, you know, just, so if I didn't have money, I'd be doing that and also have like a really nice house where I could fuck and do a lot of things. So yeah.
You have thought about it, is what I'm saying. Of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah.
Well,
Thought about
I-
fucking or about the whole thing?
The whole thing.
Both of them, yes. Definitely. Yeah.
A lot of people haven't. I'm like कि भाई मतलब गोल जिंदगी में चाहते क्या हो तुम लोग भाई मतलब आओ like दिमाग में
That is
कोई
true.
आइडिया तो होता है.
I feel like nowadays सबका ना ऐसे कि they see what is going on and that weirdly becomes their future.
Whole
also.
personality.
Like they're not just core personality is a whole different thing, but like it kind of becomes, because nowadays I see so many people who are chasing that lifestyle. Like, oh, I want my solo life. I want my, you know, cars for myself, this glass door, you know, housed in wooden, whatever, fuck marble, granite shit and all, which is great. That's really great. But then at the same time, is that it? Is that
Is
what-
that where you
Yeah.
stop? No, you
Yeah.
won't. You won't be happy. I just
Exactly.
know it.
Many
But
of
you-
my friends who many of my friends who are like not, like if you ask them, oh, why you're not dating someone and all that, I don't have time because, you know, I just want to like earn money and all that. For me, I don't know, must be many people's choice, but I feel like personally that is such a, I don't know, I could never think like that. I could never function like that. Just, oh, I'm not gonna, you know, devote shit just because I want to earn my money and I want to have that, all my comfort, my luxuries and all this thing. I can't. But then at the same time, I'm also someone who likes to, I am not chasing any big ass pile of money or anything like that. So yeah, as long as I can keep creating, I'm pretty happy with it. That's about it.
सही है भाई मतलब
I know you're a very
People are-
luxury motherfucker, so yeah.
what?
You're a very like what do you call, you like your spoils in life. I know that by now, which is not wrong or anything like that. It's
Look,
great.
it is just how I've been brought up. I'm not even
Yeah.
kidding. If I were brought up more
Oh,
like
you're also these these little
I
rich
was
kids.
once them,
Yeah.
then I understood ki like yeah, I mean like of course I got humbled. I was very entitled. If like a senior was shouting at me, I'd probably shout back.
Yeah. Oh, I've seen that.
I'd probably no, like the thing is like unless look if I'm getting paid, then I wouldn't.
Yeah.
But if you're making me do shit for free, why the fuck are you shouting at me?
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. No, I
There is
agree.
some like
there is a way to communicate always. That's
no, but like if I'm getting paid and if my senior is telling me to do something and I haven't done it and I'm also, you know, saying shit back, I'd probably expect a slap as well.
yeah.
That is how I've learned. Seniors that I was like last episode, one of my seniors were on
Yeah.
same chair you were, and then I was like, he also explained the same thing to me. Ki, like, bhai, you had entitlement problems back then, and then
Yeah.
like of course I got bullied and shit, and I understood. Ki, like, bhai,
Yeah.
it's not all about me all the time.
Yeah.
Ah,
I
so
mean, things
part
like
of
that
growing
do
up.
really humble you down when you get to all of those points. Like, I've never been brought up like that in the, like, because of circumstances or whatever. So I never, but I had a lot of friends around me who were like that, who were those, like, you know, entitled motherfuckers and all that. Some of them still are. Some of them really still are. And some of them have somewhere understood and toned down a lot. And then again, things like this do make them understand, make them go through, like, okay, this is not how you're supposed to be and this is not how you know, should be.
Some kids who don't understand it, and I feel like bullying them. I swear.
Yeah.
I swear.
Yeah, either you bully them or life will somewhere or the other.
Eventually they
But
will.
it's better when you bully them. It's more
It's
fun.
fun,
Like that.
it's more fun like
Oh,
that.
I have so much fun when I do that. Because when I see people, it's just funny to me when you see entitled people who have done so much and they're at a certain place and you're also there without doing shit and just looking at them and just being like, we're in the same place. You might have more notes in your wallet, but we're in the same place. We have the same drinks. Now what?
Now what?
Exactly. It's so fun.
That's
but
nice.
yeah. But I feel like there are many people and many kids who will just grown up like that. And God help them, however they decide to turn out to be. But yeah.
Yeah, so that's one of the reasons I don't want to get into my own parents' casino.
Yeah.
I want to do something of my own, so I have like at least something that I did this instead of
Yeah.
having my parents ne diya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मेरे बाप का पैसा
हाँ, exactly.
वही वाला thing.
Yeah, वही-
But I think there's a lot of joy in it. Like for me, it's been a while that I've been independent financially, and it's not easy at all. Like for me and the work I do as a freelancer, being a freelance person, at times you have shit on a work. That
Then
comes
sometimes
your
you have
way.
nothing, and it's-
sometimes you just. I have spent weeks or like a week. Weeks to ज़्यादा हो गया, but I've spent a week where I've had no work, and at that time, your bed that is supposed to give you the max comfort gives you so much annoyance. Like you don't feel comfort at all, and you're just like, bro, why am I just here? Why am I not doing anything? Why is it like that? So it's just really sad. But yeah, but eventually it'll be fine. I mean, I know that money will come, money. So you kind of learn that when you get that financially independent, you kind of understand that okay, now I need to manage my shit and all that, or I need to know. Now, when I was younger, my dad taught me something very like, if you have money to get something or you see something, let's say I see this can and I know this can is like a certain amount, but I don't have that right now with me. I have two ways to go about it. Either I can wait, earn it, and then have a point where I can do that, or I can beg, borrow, or like do something, or even steal. And I would rather see it and be like, okay, this is something I want, work towards it, and then when I can, I would buy it. Till then, I'm like, it's fine. I don't have to do it. Many things like that. Many times, even going to like a bar or something like that, and you can't afford a certain drink, but you know that you like that drink. It's fine. Drink something that you can afford. Don't rather just sit there and all those things, or just have rich friends. You know who you are. You all know who you are.
Getting used.
Yeah, you have been exploited. Next thing you know, I'm stopped being invited to parties. But bro, parties are the most fun thing to go to.
भाई मैं तो बोला था मेरे को लेके नहीं गया, फिर रात को चले गया यार.
किस दिन?
उस दिन आखिरी दिन ऑफ ICW.
वो आखिरी दिन का तो I told you the whole couple thing. But I'll tell you what, we were all supposed to go to another location. Okay, again I'm not going.
बच्चे
Mohawk getting ignored badly by kids. Super badly. Yeah. Wait, what was I saying? That day. So we were supposed to go to a location first, where again, not going to take names, but we were supposed to go there. And there, so I understand Delhi clubs and their profiling issues and everything. That is a whole other battle I have against them, which I would love to speak about. But they all, that day told me that, if they come as a couple, it'll be better. If you guys all come as a couple, it'll be better. And then there was another party happening somewhere else, which was like kind of the official where everyone was going kind of thing. So I had no idea about that. I knew about this thing. And the people who were supposed to go with me and Harsh, they last minute bailed out for some whatever reason. And now we are just there because if we only are not going and you guys also, it was just too much. And by the end, I was like, take it, whatever. And then Jesse, everyone was leaving. We got to know about this. We're like, fuck them. Let's all just go there. But yeah, we do this a lot actually. You guys are still lucky that I was being nice and like telling you. I have ditched people like this on their faces. Like just, नहीं जा रहे.
हमसे पहले वाले बच्चों को क्या करते थे?
बताते ही नहीं थे. पार्टी का कुछ बताते ही नहीं थे. क्योंकि the problem is, we don't have a problem taking people. But it's just that there are multiple issues to it, man. I mean, it's just, I hate it because if I could, I would take everyone with me. But it just happens like that. Initially also when I started doing all of this, मेरे साथ भी होता था ये सब. It took a lot of going and all those things where these guys all, who we all work with, they all be like, हाँ ठीक है, let's call Keith also, let's bring him also. And now it's come to a point where they're like, नहीं जाना है and all this thing if he's not there. So yeah, it took time too. But I hate that. I hate
Lakme में चलेंगे.
Lakme में देखते हैं, we'll see. Because the problem with these after parties and all that, pehle, I don't think people gave a fuck about who was coming in. As long as you dressed good and you looked the part, they'll be fine. Which I hate a lot because I have been profiled so many times.
Yeah.
Even after dressing up, even after looking good, wearing a great outfit and anything like that, even after that, I get profiled so many times for whatever reason. I know the reason. They just hate dark motherfuckers. But yeah, there have been so many times that I'm standing, people are walking in on my name as my plus ones. They will let them in. And then I stand and there's this place. I don't even care taking their name because like, fuck Donna. But literally I was walking in and then they were like, oh, my people walked in. And then I'm standing there and she looks at me and she just has a blank face. And then she's like, spell your name out, this and all those things. And she's like, no, you're not on the list. I'm like, dude, those are my plus twos. It's literally written there. And then like, no, ye wo sab. And then one of my friend walked in, she looked towards him and she goes like, hi sir, how can I help you? Ye wo sab, what's your name and all. And I'm like, dude, you're still talking to me. Like, if I'm talking to you right now and someone else comes, I'm not going to shun you off like that,
And bro, I don't have the, if I were you, I don't have the
patience.
I'd slap straight.
For me, I don't resort to that because I'm just not that person. But
I'd swing, bro.
But honestly, you have seen how I am. This topic especially is somewhere where I lose my shit, is where I get loud, is where I get like really, because I get really upset because I'm like, your criteria is no chappals, no shorts, look the part. I fuck with that. ठीक है, I get it. You want to like, you know, be
Yeah.
this bougie ass place and all that.
Like you're not getting paid enough to be doing this shit. Why are you spending so much, bro?
Yeah.
Then that's the reason I'd just like slap or like punch.
I'm just
Calm
like,
down.
well, I'm just like, bro, tu matlab, on what basis? That's what I asked her that day also when this happened to me recently. I was like, on what basis? Answer my question. Give me an answer. You have a certain guest list. I am on that list. My name is right there. You have given entries to my plus twos. And I'm standing right in front of you. I am not in chappals. I'm not in pajamas or shorts, anything like that. I am certainly dressed the part. You tell me on what basis are you not letting me in? You give me a valid answer, I'll walk away right now. I won't say shit to you. But then, know what, like, if you don't, and then she calls her manager and all this thing, and then I hate when you give me that petty entry. Sir, jane do, because you don't want me to create a scene or anything like that. Jane do, and all this thing. And I'm like, nahi bro. Even the people with me, they were like, theek hai, aane to de rahe. I'm like, dude, right now, by like being super lucky and grateful, I know people and all that, so you can enter. But then there are people who do not know people and they are dressed and all those things. वो क्या करेंगे?
वो क्या करेंगे?
Are they all supposed to get rejected and go home just because you don't
You
think
don't
they are
look
like?
it. हाँ.
And you can't just ask anyone what they're worth. You can't judge them by
Judge
just
them
what
by just
they
their-
look
हाँ,
like.
हाँ.
So it's
My
just
fucking
really
Steve
bad.
Jobs used to just wear one thing all the time.
Yeah.
The motherfucker was a billionaire.
Let him walk in with
Yeah.
jeans and like
Yeah.
fucking sportswear and all those things. Let me see how people enter.
But a lot of millionaires wear
Yeah.
just regular clothes every day.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah.
People wear t-shirt, shorts, and all that. Walk
Yeah.
around. You can't just ask
You can't
everyone.
tell
Yeah.
they're billionaires. Yeah.
True, man.
Yeah.
And that's the thing I don't fuck with, man. That's one of the reasons that entire joint. I'm just like, bro, I don't feel like going there. I just don't like when people ask me. They're like, oh, do you want to go there? And I have to think twice because I don't want to I love places. I love going to these places, chilling with people, meeting people. But when it repeatedly happens, you kind of just really don't feel like it. When every time I am entering, if I don't have to think about myself looking at a bouncer and looking at these people at the gate, which I really plead out to people where I'm like, bro, you should, even if you don't want me to enter, even if you have a profiling issue, whatever, just don't look at me that way. Not just me, but people. Because you're there to greet people. You're there to welcome people.
Welcome people.
Don't have that, bitch face and aisa karke stand there and just look at me like, nahi. Kya nahi, bhancho? I'm just there. You need to welcome me and at least ask or at least, talk and then be like, we'll figure out something. People forget that, which I hate. But yeah, काफी ऐसे अंदर से खून गर्म हो गया मेरे इस टॉपिक पे. But yeah, anyways.
Yeah, that was my last question though. Like, what do you want to have like a goal in life and everything?
My goal in life?
Like, आखिरी में if like money wasn't a thing.
Yeah,
That is probably usually
yeah.
the goal of someone's.
Yeah. I think just to know for a fact that somewhere if I'm not there and to know that people would be like, oh yeah, super chill guy, nice guy. I think that's about it for me. I wouldn't want like, oh, I want to die with like money, mugwave or shit like that. But yeah, just to know that, people will be like, cool guy, had fun with him, chill, had like a good memory. Every person had like a single memory to them. They thought about it. Pretty good with that. Uske alawa kya? People could be like, he was good in bed, I guess. I don't know. Probably. Wait till you find out. OnlyFans link down below. But yeah. Oh, I would love to have an OnlyFans someday. I really want to do like feet pictures. I want to see how that goes. I love how still you are, but yeah.
Like out of all the things you could have thought of, feet pictures.
No, dude, because I want to really know like how well, because people tell me it does really well. Like people actually want to buy and people actually want to do shit like that. And I'm someone who like cares about my feet and everything like that. So I would love to sell. Does she want to give her number or something?
मेरे को दे दो.
But yeah.
सही भाई मतलब है इंडस्ट्री में of course bro, it's people are weird man.
Yeah. Is this the point where you try to close the podcast?
No, है तो time तो है. Like,
Sahi hai, because I want to talk about your anger issues.
Okay.
We turn the table
let's
now.
talk about that.
We switch about it. Why the
welcome
fuck do you
back.
get so mad?
Welcome back to Keith's podcast.
I have overtaken this entire thing. But yeah, dude, your anger is the funniest thing ever. Oh, by the way, wait. I just realized, do these guys know the name we gave you?
Please don't. Leave
Okay, this should be a snippet, okay? Like, this should be a snippet somewhere.
मैं ना
So-
बीप करूँगा हर चीज को, आपको बता रहा हूँ मैं.
कर दे भाई, कोई सीन नहीं है. So, Mohak was given a name by a very funny guy in our team. He's been called Gant. And then I added to it. So, in our entire team, Mohak is known as Gant Ganesha. Let me repeat it, Gant Ganesha. Gant like the knot, because man's like one. And then we always kept thinking, because he seems like as if like some of his nerve or something is just going to pop off. And because he gets really, really mad. Like, I think throughout the 10 days of the fashion week, at least 4 or 5 times I've come down to like take you aside and be like, bro, chill out, calm down. And yeah, man, like, why do you get so mad?
Look,
love it.
I
That-
just think कि if I'm giving someone some kind of respect and like
Yeah. Wait, sorry, I'm going to cut you off because I'll forget my question. Was there, honestly answer this, and I promise you, I will be your protection.
हाँ.
Was there a point where you were pissed at Harsh, where you were just like, ये कौन है बहनचोद?
नहीं, हर्ष भैया तो बढ़िया है, genuine. हर्ष भैया तो बढ़िया है.
Because he hates you. He hates you and Sarthak so much.
हाँ, चलो
Especially
सार्थक का तो
Especially Sarthak.
understandable
Bro,
है.
there was a point where Harsh got so mad because we kept on seeing you just appear out of nowhere. Like when we would be like, roaming around, and because we've been told to leave 2 boys there, 2 boys here, and I repeatedly tell them, ki stay here. And I am someone, if you're in my team, I will also give you time to like, go fuck around, go do whatever you want. But the only time I call you to come and do something, be there. Which these guys eventually did become like that. But initially, I would be like, go sit in this room, I'm going to be back in a bit. I come back, they're not there. No one's there. And then the people higher
मैं
than
आपको
me,
एक
they
चीज
would come.
बताऊं, जहाँ पे भी मैं जाता था ना एकदम अकेले, जब nobody was there, I was talking to this girl on call, ठीक है, like because I can't be there with her right then,
Aw.
right? She used to call me and I used to be like, भाई okay, I'll pick up. Then I used to be like, भाई अभी काम करो, करना देखो call. That bitch ass, after the whole fashion week was done,
Yeah.
she had
Wait,
hidden
is
her.
this a...
नहीं.
अच्छा.
I'm gonna
Oh, by the way,
I'm gonna
that-
share this part.
That person, so uninteresting to talk to.
Uninteresting to talk to.
Like, what I assumed, what I heard from you, seemed very fun and seemed very like, but it's like
tell
rice,
you,
bro.
I'll tell you about that after.
Like
the pod.
bland rice.
I'll tell you after about.
Yeah.
So the girl I was talking to, that during that time, that bitch after the fashion week ended, she had hidden her stories and I was like, कि इसके highlights क्यों नहीं दिख रहे मेरे को? That bitch is so dumb.
Wait, why are you going and seeing her highlights?
No, because like I couldn't see her stories. Like bro, she's posting shit
Yeah.
and I can't see it. And I'm like, ये कैसे? Like because her friend was telling me shit.
I'm not that old. I get it.
हाँ ठीक है. So I found out.
Yeah.
I checked from my podcast का account, then also I couldn't see. But मैंने फिर बोला विकल्प को, and Vikalp saw it. Vikalp saw her story. It is
Oh,
some
so dumb, bro.
tall ass guy.
Yeah.
Some tall ass guy holding her head like this.
Wow.
एक insecurity है, मान लो एक insecurity है मेरी, उसी के ऊपर ये attack.
The pain in his guys, you can't see it, but through the shades I can tell.
बच्चे
also
यहाँ पे
more
आते
and more
जाओ, but
kids.
एकदम चुप रहना, ठीक है? Alright.
The kid just gave him a fuck you face. He really did.
बच्चे कैमरा में आ जाओगे फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगी ना, तो बाहर ही चले जाओ.
5-10 मिनट दे दो फिर आप आ जाना.
ठीक है.
तो शांति से. जा बे.
लुल्ली पे मारो.
Why are there so many kids here, dude?
I swear, man, fucking, I don't know. It's a Saturday today, I guess. That's why.
How the fuck does that matter? They have
नहीं,
nothing to do.
usually-
Saturday तो कहीं भी जाएंगे वो. यही तो रहेंगे.
Usually होता क्या है कि they're in school during this time, no? So this Saturday तो छुट्टी है. So all of them are नीचे.
Motherfucker, which school is at 5 o'clock?
नहीं, like
5:30
4
something.
o'clock तक, and then they're fucking tired, so they're sleeping at
4
home
o'clock
ना.
तक कौन सा स्कूल हो रहा है भाई?
मेरा होता था
4 बजे तक.
4 बजे तक.
कौन सी बिल्डिंग बना रहे थे भाई वहाँ पे? इसलिए वही विकल्प वहीं गया है क्या?
नहीं.
सीमेंट लेके.
हाँ, तो what did you talk about पहले से?
This
हाँ,
girl.
that bitch, I
Yeah.
swear.
I said girl. He said bitch. Just
नहीं, like, okay, women.
that bitch.
But that bitch.
Yeah.
Bhai, I don't know what's wrong with her, man. Genuine.
Yeah.
This is one of the reasons I don't fucking trust her, man. Like थोड़ा करके ना टूट ही जा रहा है.
भाई तो उसमें तो you will only have to work on it. But anyway, is this the same girl you told me about while the fashion week was going on? No, that was the red. Yeah.
उसके बाद मैं बात बताता
बताओ.
बात
क्यों भाई? Off camera क्यों?
क्योंकि वो देख सकती है ना फिर.
Oh shit.
She can watch the podcast and she'd know.
Yeah.
After you say this, she'd know.
Bro, it could be anyone.
No, she'd know.
I just literally just said that.
After you said uninterested and this, she'll know.
Oh wait, that's not. I wasn't talking about her. This is so confusing now. I mean, there were a bunch, yaar, but ठीक है. I don't mean this with any great people though, but yeah, fucking boring. But I mean, ठीक है यार. You talk to them and all, and then you realize I'm just. Oh, I have so much to tell you, bro. But anyways.
बताओ पॉट बताओ कोई नहीं.
नहीं यार.
नहीं.
ये थोड़ा वो हो जाएगा because it came through you only, so yeah.
Okay, चलो बात बता.
Yeah, I'll tell you off camera only.
Okay. What was I saying? Anger issues. So like basically, it's like if I have given somebody this some amount of respect, थोड़ा सा मैं देता हूँ. Of course, that is like until unless you earn it, I still give it.
Yeah.
Then if somebody earns it, I give them more.
Yeah.
Respect ऐसे चलता है and then they give me respect. But once like if they become entitled, कि like भाई they can say whatever the fuck they want to me, then I'm like कि भाई अब हो गया बहुत, अब हो गया. So that girl.
Yeah.
You know which one? The one I shouted at? The one who's named like a woman, her name is a woman.
Okay. Yeah.
That one. So,
Oh!
her name is literally woman.
Yes.
हाँ.
Oh fuck yes.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
So, भाई, she just randomly said, I asked her, she was calling me to a separate room.
Yeah.
And I'm like, भाई, क्या चाहिए? Exactly, तुम्हें चाहिए क्या?
Yeah.
Because she was calling me to this place, like, it is just like all the managers and everybody's just sitting there chilling in AC,
Oh, you mean
food
that
वगैरह.
Ashoka wala place mein? Now I just narrowed it down and so much. Wait, does she watch all of this?
No, I don't
Does
think
she
so.
follow you?
Maybe. Fucking, she watches fine.
Yeah.
She is inviting me there, and I'm like, भाई एक second, क्या चाहिए? Like, who's calling me? What's up?
Yeah.
I asked her 4 or 5 times, and then she's still like, कि भाई come there.
Yeah.
I'm like, भाई तेरे को बताना है काम नहीं बताना है? कहती नहीं यार यहाँ पे नहीं. She said बहन चोद आके पूछ ले.
हाँ.
I got pissed. मैं बोला भाई तू मेरे को बुला भी रही है, मेरे को बता भी नहीं रही क्यों बुला रही है. And you still are abusing me and telling me to come there.
The balls at
The boss. मैंने बोला बहन की लड़ी कॉल मत करियो मेरे से. कॉल काट दिया.
I remember this entire
I
thing.
got another call.
Yeah.
But this time I said hello. And that guy was talking.
Yeah. Oh, I would have slapped him, bro. I would have genuinely slapped
No,
him.
but the thing, I wouldn't slap him because he's given me the right amount of respect and I've given him. There was a sense of respect between the
sorry
both
to
of us.
cut you off. My reasoning of why I wanted to slap him was, firstly, if whatever you guys knew each other and however, like you told me, I don't know you. You don't know me. And I'm telling you that this is the female green room. There are people here. If you want to talk to person from my team, talk outside. A female green room is not a place for you, especially when there are like, backstage coordinators,
Backstage
people
people,
higher than us, everyone sitting there, there are models and everyone there. वहाँ बैठ के तुम चीख के बात कर रहे हो because this motherfucker is very loud and he's also very loud. And I'm like, and I'm standing there and I'm very politely, I'm like, can you guys talk outside? And then when he looks at me, he goes like, रुक जाओ. Bro. उसका हाथ कहीं घुसा देता मैं. I got so pissed and I looked at Harsh, I was like, तुम ही बात करो भाई. Because I was like, because I'm very politely, I'm telling you to talk outside because this is not a place to sit and like, for you guys, when you guys are talking inside, when he's trying to break it down to you. And I'm just like, bitch.
I'm just trying to break it down to him कि भाई I am the fucking reason. I invited her here. If I wouldn't have talked to people, she wouldn't have been here. नहीं, then she has the fucking balls to talk to me like that. So I was like कि भाई देख call मत कर मेरे से बात मत कर. Talk to other people here. You're here now. Might as well be a part of it, but leave me out of it.
Yeah.
ये सिंपल सा फंडा था भाई. दैट गाय केम शाउटिंग एट मी. आई एम लाइक भाई देख सुन मेरी बात. रिस्पेक्ट है हमारे हम दोनों के बीच में. तेरे को पता है मैं कैसे बात करता हूँ, तेरे से ढंग से बात कर रहा हूँ इतने टाइम से. व्हाई द फक वुड आई टॉक टू समवन लाइक दैट फॉर नो एब्सोल्यूट रीजन?
Yeah.
व्हाई आई डोंट चांटा तो नहीं मारूंगा
Fair
लड़की को, बट
enough.
एटलीस्ट इफ दे आर टॉकिंग ट्रैश टू मी, बट आई वुड.
Yeah.
लड़की को तो मार सकते हो तो.
Sensitive topic, not
Yeah.
going to say something about it. But yeah. No, I get it, man. I mean, there were times where I understood your anger and it was valid or something like that. I just found it funny because for me, it becomes babysitting. Fashion weeks for me is genuinely babysitting because I have to handle a 29-year-old motherfucker's tantrums. Then there is you, then there is Abhinav, then there are 10 other people. Then
I
have to
understand,
manage
like,
all of their, like, you know, because for
being
me,
out of the whole thing,
Yeah.
you see things differently. If I put myself in your shoes and I see this thing, it is so
Yeah.
chota.
Yeah,
It is
'cause I'm like,
genuinely कि भाई क्यों कर रहे हो लड़ाई?
Why?
I get
Exactly.
your point.
I'll tell you this one time, okay? So we were doing, I think it was last Couture week only, not this one, the one before. So at that time, Abhinav was relatively new. And Abhinav is, again, he's like, he's a boy, he's a baby, like in the way he thinks and everything like that. And I feel if you're older to someone, I know there are points where it makes you really mad, but you need to learn how to let go of things. Like if someone, like if you have done something,
I did something.
Can't, yeah, I
I did
can't be
something.
like, exactly, I can't be taking that one thing and just being mad about it, like, oh fuck you Mohawk, ये वो तेरी गांड मार लूँगा ये वो सब. भाई क्यों?
Then again, I also think about it from your perspective.
Yeah.
भाई 19 साल का है.
Exactly. That's why I'm like, let it be. कोई बात नहीं. So there was this one time we were doing some show, okay, and उस side में there was बहुत hassle हो गया था कि the garments had not come and all. So me and Harsh decided, fuck it, we'll also do ये सारा काम. So we are also like, you know, पकड़ रहे and we're hanging all the clothes and everything. And one of the ladies who's like a leader, she comes and she starts yelling at us. Harsh and Keith, what the fuck are you guys doing? Why is it not here? So when someone yells like that, for me, I know it's a momentary anger. So I'm just like, ठीक है, कर रहे हैं ना, रुक जाओ, we'll figure it out. Harsh ka reaction is just whole opposite. He's like, ये वो सब करके and all this thing, and he gets really mad. But he's like, let's get the job done, which I really appreciate. So he's doing his shit, okay? Abhinav, being the funny juvenile thing that he is, he came in, took a garment off and a heavy lehenga, okay, and he throws it at Harsh. And Harsh, I have never been so scared for someone else's life. Bro, I remember I was standing there next to the rack. I saw Abhinav do this. I looked at Harsh, I looked at Abhinav, I looked at Kittu, and I was like, ye gaya. Then I literally ran in between. I was like, Harsh, and then Harsh started yelling at me. He's like, bro, isko sambhal le, ye wo sab. I was like, tu ja bhai yahan se. So many things like that, when it happens, I'm just like, I jump in and I'm like, because for me, I want my team, everyone to be fine. I want everyone to be taken care of. But at the same time, I want people to work also. Because I want the job to be done. And I don't want anyone to ever come and shit on you guys and like be like, oh, ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ. एक बार पता नहीं last Couture week में किसी ने जाके बोल दिया कि हमारी टीम से कोई ताज के गार्डन वाले एरिया में बैठ के मेकआउट कर रहा था. And I'm just
सही है भाई. सही तो
पहली बात तो ताज इज अ ग्रेट होटल. तुम्हें गार्डन मिला था मेकआउट करने के लिए जाके. जुलाई का ह्यूमिड महीना. You have rooms, you have fucking AC green rooms and everything.
Yeah, exactly. Bro, I
Do
was
it anywhere.
that guy, अपना प्रांतिक.
Yeah.
उसी मैंने story देखी after the whole thing. Have you seen it? Do you follow him?
Prantik, the guy with Yana and all these people, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I do, yeah.
उसकी
But
बंदी आई थी backstage.
yeah.
वो they were sitting in the celebrity room. They probably did shit.
Smart.
Smart enough.
Smart.
Smart
I
enough.
respect that.
हाँ.
वही तो गार्डन में क्यों बैठोगे भाई?
भाई गर्मी में.
गर्मी,
नहीं,
गार्डन,
मैं तो भाई
मच्छर.
मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. 5 मिनट के लिए बाहर जाते थे भाई. खत्म भाई. You need to sit in AC for the next 1 hour to like
Yeah.
get yourself down.
Bro, I used to. That's one of the reasons I would always wear like a jacket or something. Because you'd go out, you come back after 15 minutes or something, you're drenched in sweat, and then there's blasting AC inside. That's how half of the time Couture week I'm just sick. अब तो I'm used to it. I'm like, पता है अब तो बीमारी रहना है. But it's mad. Lakme is going to be fun, man. I'm really. It's
Fun
gonna be
because
so-
he'll torture us or what?
Bitch, I have never tortured you. You should be so glad that I would, you know what? So we will divide our MSAs, right? There'll be one main stage area, show area, and then there's another one there. I will make sure that you both are not in my team. मैं प्रथम को रख लूंगा. Fuck that, मैं सार्थक को रख लूंगा. तू नहीं रहेगा.
ये क्या बात हुई?
टॉर्चर कहाँ किया ब्रो?
अरे नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ कि like you said ना कि लैगमे में मजा आएगा. Like
हाँ, no,
are you
'cause it's-
planning on torturing us?
Yes, because I'm planning to make you guys work more.
अच्छा.
So that you know experience and shit, and then
हाँ,
I get to sit. And Lakme is fun. I will tell you off camera why is it fun also.
अच्छा. हाँ you told us. I think you gave us an idea of why.
It will be. Anyways, this is the time where we wrap up.
Right. Glad you guys came to Keith's podcast today.
1 second, hot moms though. Anyways, go on.
Yeah, glad you guys came to Pete's podcast today. It was a pleasure being here, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having
भाई
me.
विकल्प भाई प्लीज भाई बीटी मत दिया कर.
Bro, next time we do this, when we have Harsh also, you know what we should do? We should have alcohol.
भाई we can't have alcohol.
Not here, we'll do it somewhere where we can.
No, we
go.
can like put shit in and then get here. I don't drink.
I mean, I know
personally-
you don't, but no, for at least like me, Vikalp and Harsh.
Vikalp, हाँ.
Because I don't know about him, but a drunk Harsh is a very fun Harsh. So that'd be
Pre-boost
really
that
fun.
guy. Pre-game him and come here, na?
हाँ ठीक है, whatever. Anyways, but like we should have it while that also. That'll be fun.
Yeah.
Like have like a shot each or something.
Let's not say it कि है इसमें while we are talking.
Never mind. You can cut this part out.
हाँ.
But ठीक है.
चलो.
What are you supposed to like do?
I don't know what I
I'll
do.
do a
I
chess
forgot.
move then.
This is wrong. White starts first.
Bro, I'm not
This
gonna
is
let
so
the white.
racist.
I'm not gonna let the white start first ever. If I want, I could just do this also. But anyways, blacks, bro. I mean
Right.
browns.
Right. Yeah, fuck. Subscribe, man. Why the fuck? You guys watch my shit. You have like, I get like 500 views and fucking 80 subscribers. What the fuck is this?
Also, I'm just gonna say something. I'm really gonna. Next time I come, I will come with gifts. But I'll really get a stand because my hand hurts holding a book for some reason. And I kept my hand like this the whole time. My thumb hurts like shit. So I'm gonna get 2 stands for you. You could just have it like just
Damn,
pointing like
that's
this.
nice, yeah.
Or like you know, might cover the face or like just have it like this or
हाँ,
something.
नीचे से.
That'll be fun. नीचे से best always. But yeah.
Alright, bhai. Fucking subscribe and like this shit, bhai. What the fuck?
Yes.
Right. Bye.